Hello children, today we are going to practice reading sentences. In this video we are going to read about animals. So let's start.
I am a dog. I am a pet animal. I am man's best friend. My snuff power is very high. I am a rabbit. I am popularly known as Bunny. I have thick fur. I like carrots. I live in burrows. I am a penguin. I am a bird. I cannot fly, but I can swim. I am black and white. I like cold climate. I am a cat. I live in the house. I am a pet. I like chasing mice. My favorite food is milk and fish. I am a polar bear. I like the snow and the ice. I am a marine animal. I am white, but my skin is black. I eat meat. I am a monkey. I live in the rainforest. I like banana. I like to jump from tree to tree and imitate people. I am a panda. I am very big. I live in the forest in China. I can swim and even climb trees. I eat bamboo. I am a giraffe. I live in the savannah. I am quite big. I eat leaves. My long neck helps me find food. I am a bear. I am a big animal. I am brown. I have a thick fur. I like fish and honey. I am a lion. I live in Africa. I am wild animal. I am the king of jungle. I am carnivorous and I eat meat. I am a cheetah. I am the fastest runner. I am a big cat. I have very good eyesight. I have yellow coat with black spots. I am a horse. I am quite useful. People can ride me. I eat grass. I live on the farms. I run very fast. I am a wolf. I am black and grey. I am very similar to a dog. I am an important character in the well-known fairy tale. I am a kangaroo. I live in Australia. I can hop. I have a bag for where I carry my babies. I can't move backward. I am a zebra. I look like a horse. I live in Africa. I have black stripes. I am a cow. I am a domestic animal. I live in a farm. I am a herbivorous animal and eat grass. I give milk. I am a pig. I am pink and fat. I live on farm. I love to roll in the mud. I have a spiral tail. I am a crocodile. I have a lot of big teeth. I am very dangerous. I can swim and walk. Sometimes I like sunbathing. I am a goldfish. I am a pet. I can swim. I live in an aquarium. I am a freshwater fish. I can't live in salty water. I am a turtle. I can live a very long life. I have hard shell. I am slow-moving animal. I am green. I am a turkey. I am a big bird. I cannot fly. I have wattle and feathers. I can swim. I am a whale. I am very big. I am a mammal, but I live in the oceans. I can swim and dive. I am a hen. I am a small bird. I can fly, but I don't fly very often. I am very useful because I give eggs. I am a Scorpio. I live in many places. I like dry climate. I am very dangerous. I am an insect. I am a butterfly. I am very beautiful and colorful. I can fly. I like flying from flower to flower to drink the nectar. I am a frog. I am a small animal. I can live on both land and water. I can hop, swim and dive. I am a parrot. I can talk, but I am not a person. I live in the bills of the tree. I have green feathers with red beak. I am a seahorse. I live in water. I have the name of horse, but I am a fish. I have a neck and head shaped like horse. I am a fox. I am a wild animal. I have nice fur. I live in fields. People consider me clever. I am a ladybug. I like flowers. I am red with black spots. I have oval domed shaped body and short 6 legs. I help farmers to grow healthy crops.